Good morning. What a lovely treat to have a beautiful campsite instead of having to hide in a building somewhere. And I have a double celebration. A new patron supporter. Thank you so much, Spencer. I'm always so thrilled when somebody shows their support for what I do by becoming a member of my Patreon page. So many thanks indeed to you, Spencer. Also, I have a warm showers host tonight. So I'm gonna have some Italian chat, maybe some Italian food if I'm super duper lucky, at the very least a shower. So I'm excited for that today. Buongiorno. Apparently they were filming some kind of advert and it is a suitably beautiful stretch of road for that. Buongiorno, ciao. Grazie. It's closed. The sea is too choppy for access apparently. I mean, I could definitely climb around this, but I'm not gonna.
Allora, 2 sagni, 2 pasta fresca,
Buongiorno, una questa per favore?
Questa?
Questa, una per favore.
Una?
Olives, I think. Perfect. Guess how much? Guess how much? 50 cents. It's not even $1 Australian. It's impossible to overstate how perfectly crispy this is. Mm. Buongiorno. Project, principally to make use of the space which was previously empty and closed to the public. Like nowhere I've ever visited before, the Palazzo Vescovile was like walking through a three-dimensional painting. Buongiorno. Yum. Very good. Also fresh, warm, and I'm pretty sure the tuna's not out of a can. To complete my pastry meal, this jam tart, I suppose you'd call it. Pie, jam pie. Excellent pastry. Cobbles, isn't it? That's why 3 screws have worked their way loose already. Ciao! My host is out, my main host is out. But his roommates are in. Ciao! Come stai oggi? The following day, I popped out in the rain to take in Galatina's 2 main draws. Firstly, the frescoes of the town's 14th century basilica. And secondly, to sample the town's famous sweet. Piatto, the town is famous for. Correction, pasticciotto. In any case, it's brilliant. It's filled with custard. Creme anglaise. Don't tell the Italians.
Forse non facciamo nemmeno perché